So guys, we are starting today the human eye and colorful world, right? So this is a very theoretical chapter mostly. We will study about the eyes, human eye. We will see how the retina works, how the iris works, what is iris, what is pupil, what is retina, what is crystalline lens, what is eyeball, and all that we will study today. So let me make first of all the human eye. Can you tell? So guys, this is a typical diagram for the human eye. Okay. So see guys, whatever you see the part which is bulged outside, that is called cornea. Okay, and you see, can you see the my eye color is like black. So okay, that black color is this. That black color is called the iris. Okay, this iris can contract, can expand also, right? And the middle part, what you see, that is called pupil. See, whenever the light ray comes, the light rays are coming like this. Okay, whenever the lights are more, they are very high. When the lights are very high, so this will shrink. This will shrink like this. This pupil will shrink when the high light is there. High light. And when the low light is there, it will expand and it will become like this. So it is at low light. Okay. So what this pupil is doing actually, that whenever the more light is coming, see, whenever the more light is coming, that is dangerous to our light, that is dangerous to our eyes. So this cornea, this iris will contract and the pupil will become less. It means the pupil will become smaller. So this is how the iris is responsible to control the light. So it will decide how much amount of the light will go inside the iris, inside the eye. Okay. So after this cornea, this is the water-like thing. 99% is the water in this person, in this one. This is 99% water, and it is called aqueous humor. It is called aqueous humor. What is the purpose of this? Actually, it is used to clean the eyes. Whenever you are waking up in the morning, you are seeing something in your eyes. That is because of this one. Okay, aqueous humor. Okay, what other purpose it solves? Actually, it is behaving like a refractive index, refractive material. So, refractive index of this particular material is something around 1.33, something like that. So, what it does is, so we know that whenever the light comes from lighter material to lighter material to dense material, it tilts towards the normal. Okay, so whenever the light is coming, so they will tilt towards this lens like this. Okay, so this is the purpose of aqueous humor. Okay, now we come to this point. I told you what is iris. Some people have the brown iris, some people have black iris, some people have blue iris. We say that blue iris, like that. So okay, so and between them there is a small hole called pupil. Okay, this pupil can expand, can be contract also, right? Okay, then there is a crystalline muscle. This crystalline muscle is responsible to extend the mirror or contract, to contract or to expand the lens. See guys, we see a lot of things in our life. Whenever we see a lot of things in our life, so our eye has to maintain the focus for the different objects, because ultimately the projection has to have on the retina. Retina is what? Retina is a curtain thing. Like it's a we can say, like you go in cinemas. In that cinemas there is a film on that particular film that projector is projected, so that we can see the film, we can see the movies, images and all this on the projected on the curtain. So that curtain is retina, right? Okay, then it is a lens. See guys, this is not a solid lens, it's not solid and it is a convex lens. This lens can alter its focal length. It can increase its focal length, it can decrease its focal length, right? As it depends on the where the object is. Because we know that the image should form on the retina. So we will see how the focus will be changed later. Then it is a eyeball. The outer part of the eye is called eyeball, and this is the optic nerves. Optic nerves, this optic nerves goes to the mind directly, and it will show the picture to the mind. Mind will sense the picture. Okay. Blind spot is this: when the figure will the image will form at this particular point, then that will be not clear to the mind. Why? Because see, on this retina there are light sensitive cells. On the retina there are light sensing cells. These cells, whenever the light goes on these cells, these cells will convert the light into electric signal, and these electric signal is sent to the nerve through the nerve to the mind with the optic nerve. Okay, so what happens is, and this is called vitreous humor. So this is also like a water kind of thing. It's a like jelly kind of thing. So this provides strength to eye. Actually, if this water like the thing is there, so what will happen? It will like it is creating the side of the eye. So if this water is not there, it will get collapsed. So that's why this vitreous humor is there to maintain the size of the eye, right? So let me explain this one more time. The rays will come, it will first go to cornea, then it will go to pupil, and then it goes to lens. Lens will make the picture here on the retina like this. Okay, if the light rays are coming like this, so it will the image will be formed on the retina. So there are light sensing cells which sense the light, and it will create the electric signal, and the electric signal will go to the mind, and through the optic nerve, and it will go to mind, then make the mind will see the image. First you make the figure this one, then I will explain, then we will write this.